guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my little Christmas special. Each day we have been unboxing one new window in the LimeLife by Alcone Holly Dozen collection, which is the LimeLife Advent calendar. Yes! So excited. So today we are on day 3. If you guys have not seen the other 2 videos, I will link them right here that you guys can check out after this video or hit pause and you guys can go check those out right now. So if you guys are excited to see what we are unboxing today, stay tuned for the rest of the video and stay tuned for the very end because every day I've been doing a new liquid lipstick color, so I will reveal the color that I'm wearing today at the end of this video. Let's open up this bad boy. So first of all, it comes in this amazing box with this hand illustrated art on the front with little bits of like blinged out jewels. I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, I think that this is so pretty. It comes with the LimeLife signature bow and a little XO tag that says to and from, so it's just ready to gift or be like me and keep it for yourself. Day 3 here, we have a little mini brush. Oh, it's so cute. Who does not love mini products? I'll just read a little bit about why LimeLife brushes are so awesome, and then I'm going to give you guys my little tips for this brush, and then I'll reveal my lip color. So this is the little brush. How cute is that? It has the LimeLife logo on it and super soft like all the rest of LimeLife brushes. Okay, so a little bit about LimeLife brushes. It says here, the classified brush collection includes a complete array of professional artist must-have brushes. Each brush head is made by hand with high-quality vegan bristles and feature a sleek black weighted handle. So that's a really cool thing. When you get the full-size brushes, they do have a little weight here and they just feel like you just have to feel them, try them to know what I'm talking about. The brushes are available individually or you can buy them as a full set. The complete set comes packed in a free vegan leather canister. So you get this is my brush collection. You guys, with the full brush set, you get this leather case, and this is the top, and it just snaps onto your brush set, so they're all ready to go when you go somewhere, and you just snap that closed, and this comes free with the full brush set. Now I want to tell you guys my little tip for this little guy that I'm so excited about. So if you guys are like me and you tend to get a little bit shiny in your T-zone midday, toss this in your purse with a cute little makeup clutch and your singular, so you can get these, like if you guys have been following me, you know you can get them in sets of 2, sets of 3. I'll show you. So the powder comes either in a set of 3 or just like this in a set of 2 that you can get with blush and bronzer. And you can also get them in an individual palette. So this is mine, it's almost gone, but this is a translucent setting powder. Toss this and this in your purse to go. And then midday, if you're out and about and you're getting a little shiny, just touch up that T-zone and mattify your whole makeup look again. Also, what I do love about these little brushes, if you guys are spray tanners, and I like to do when I get really pale in the winter time, is do my face. I'll do my face with like a spray tan right when I get out of the shower, and then I will use a little brush like this just to blend it all in to make sure that I have no streaking or spotting or anything like that. So I would need like a couple of these. I could definitely use a couple of these and get some good use out of them. So that's just a little information about our brushes and my little tips on that mini brush. And then the lip color. So this, if you guys saw yesterday, it's kind of the same level of darkness, but it's on the warmer side. So it's kind of like a peachy nude, and it's really good for people who aren't into really bold colors, but you just want to try something new. It's also good for an everyday color, and I think that it goes really well with our number 7 blush. So this blush, I believe, is called Peachy, and that's what I'm wearing today. And then this is Angel Food. So Angel Food and Peachy, and that makes for a nice like warm, natural kind of makeup look if that's what you guys are into. I love this color a lot, and you can take and add a bit of concealer here and you can nude it down even more if that's something that you wanted to try. So you kind of have two colors in one, and then you would get kind of that ombre effect in your lip, which looks really pretty. So that is my lip color for today and my little tips. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys did, make sure that you guys click the like button, and I would appreciate that so much. And then if you guys are interested in seeing the rest of the videos I have unboxing the advent calendar with you, make sure that you click subscribe and the little bell so you guys get notified when a new video goes live, because I will be posting a new video every day. So I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one.